Children, Standard 3 English Grammar. We were discussing articles. Is it not, children? What are articles, children? The words a, an, and the. These three are called articles. We learned the usage of these three. Yes, children? A and an we use only for singular nouns. Is it not? And a we use in front of the words that begin with consonant sound, and we use with the words that begin with vowel sound. The where we use we learned already recently, we discussed when we specify a common noun and in front of the old buildings, rivers, oceans, mountains, buildings, and also like sun, moon. Yes, children. Now let us discuss one more exercise. Clear? And here you see it's a picture with many objects in it. Now what we have to do here, let us see. Which objects do you see in this picture? Write their names with A, R, and. Got, children? We are able to see, we can see different pictures here, different objects here. We have to say whether with A or an we are going to. Let's start from here, children. The clock, we can see the wall clock now. So we say here a wall clock or an wall clock. Wall clock, the beginning sound is v, is it not? It is not vowel sound. So we say a wall clock. Now what is there on the table, children? See on the plate. Can you make out? Egg, is it not? Now egg, the word is beginning with which sound, children? Is it vowel sound or consonant sound? Egg. It is a vowel sound. So we say an egg. Yes, children? And just near the table, what is there? Chair. Chair, you say a chair or an chair? A chair. Now next on the table we find is a glass of milk. We say a glass of milk. Then see what is this? Just beside, fishes are there. It's aquarium, no, children? Aquarium. We say an aquarium because the word is beginning with vowel sound. Then bat, cricket bat. You say a cricket bat because the word is beginning with consonant sound. And beside the bat, what is that, children? Aeroplane. This we say an aeroplane because the word is beginning with vowel sound. Ball. Ball is beginning with the consonant sound, so we say a ball. Engine. Engine is a word which is the starting sound is vowel sound, so we say an engine. Got, children? Tomorrow I shall give you the notes. Let us stop here. Thank you, children.